What's going on, everybody? Jay So is here with Luciano's Excavation. Today we are in Chicopee, Mass. Over here at the Bemis Pond Reservoir. So let's go over and see what these guys got going on today. So looks like we got Danielle over here in the Maruk. So Steve's over here in the Komatsu on the hill. I believe their goal today is to lay the riprap on the embankment. Let's go check it out and see what they got going on. Finishing up this riprap on this upper dam slope. Once that's done, I can proceed downstream and have the guys jump over here, start installing the sump. We got about 160-foot Cofferdam we got to install with sandbags. And gonna start grubbing that upper side of that dam, stripping the loom, getting the invasives off. About to go to town. Complete transformation from when we started here. I mean, unrecognizable. So you guys got some mud to deal with today. Yeah, the rain didn't help yesterday, so we a little clean up the end of the day too. So as you can see here, this used to be the pond. Used to fill right up to that level there. They have since drained the pond, so we can come in here and get some work done. As you can see, there's some still wildlife out here. They're probably loving it.
getting all the bugs out. Oh, it's getting sinky. Oh, it's definitely going on YouTube if you go sinking it. Oh, that was sketchy.
We're over here on the downstream side of the dam. This dam is being removed. We are going to install a Cofferdam, about 160 feet of sandbags. We're going to U-shape right around here to protect ourselves. This is secondary protection. We also will be installing a sump over here to the right. We're about 10 feet in the ground. We're going to put the channel right here for us to be able to do our work over here. Like I said, the Cofferdam is just some added protection for us while we're doing all this work here to stop the water in case you get any flooding. There will also be a bypass pipe installed here through roughly right where this head wall is, straight through the center of the dam. They'll be installed too for excess water.
And all this is just to keep the excess water away while we're working.
This is protection for us to keep our work area dry when we're working, because obviously when we set these wing walls and this box culvert, it's nice to be in the dry and not have to deal with water. There'll be a big crane coming in to set this culvert, probably a couple months. Yeah, start making some progress.
Good stuff. Thank you. So as you guys saw in our previous video coming down here, this was completely stuffed, trash, debris. They're cleaning this out. Let's check it out. Wow, opened right up, huh?
Yep. Like I said, we're going to keep this existing spillway installed for right now. This is eventually being demoed, but this is going to be our bypass route for our water to pump around.
That's how you guys clean your boots?
Yeah, this is a boot walk.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a beat with Luciano's Excavation.